Welcome, in front of me is a Black Shark 5 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume down at the same time. As you can see, this will boot us into Fastboot mode. So there we go, that is how you can boot into it. And once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one, just leave this, hold power key till the screen turns off. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.